Unmasking Fake Originality, the Truth Behind the Facade. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of creativity and expression: fake originality. This term might sound contradictory, but it holds a deep meaning in the realms of art, literature, and even day-to-day life. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers behind this concept and understand its implications. Fake originality refers to the act of presenting ideas, creations, or expressions as new and unique while they are, in fact, heavily derived from existing sources without proper acknowledgement. It's like wearing a mask of innovation over a face that closely resembles someone else's work. In a world that values creativity and unique thought, fake originality can dilute the genuine efforts of true creators. It not only misleads the audience but can also discredit the original creator, leading to ethical and sometimes legal complications. Understanding this term helps in fostering an environment where authentic creativity is recognized and celebrated. In art, artists might present artworks as original creations when they are actually heavily inspired or copied from other artists. This undermines the value of true artistic expression. In academia, students or researchers might present ideas or research as their own when it's heavily borrowed from other works without proper citation, leading to issues of plagiarism. In business, companies might advertise products as innovative solutions when they are merely rebranded versions of existing products, misleading consumers and stifling genuine innovation. To appreciate and foster genuine originality, one must 1. Educate themselves about the history and context of the field they are exploring. 2. Acknowledge the sources of inspiration and give credit where it's due. 3. Encourage a culture of transparency and honesty in creative expressions. Understanding and recognizing fake originality is crucial in a world brimming with ideas and expressions. By valuing and promoting authenticity, we contribute to a culture that celebrates true creativity and respects the intellectual efforts of individuals. Hope this video sheds light on the importance of discerning genuine originality. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and stay true to your unique self.